Today, we are going to work on a data set named BigMart sales problem. Let's first try to understand the PS. We have been provided with 2013 sales data of a company named BigMart, which has across 10 stores and has various products, and we have to build a predictive model which will be used by the BigMart to increase their sales. Now, how are they going to use this? Let me explain it to you with help of an example. Suppose you are owner of a retail store and you have 8 to 10 factors under your control. For example, store size, kind of products you are going to sell, etc. Now, you want to open a new store at a new place. Being a businessman, you want lucrative profit from the very first year. But these 8 to 10 factors are the one you can permute in order to boost up your sale. But you can't try all the factors and wait for yearly output to check whether your decisions that you made were right or wrong. Now you hire me, and now I'm a data scientist, and you hire me. You provide me you provide me with data containing previous year's sales and having those factors in it. Now I built a predictive model for you. I have given you a mod and converted into an API or form of a software. This software takes these factors as input and can predict output for you. This may not be exact that you are going to see at the end of this year, but your output are going to be roughly around the outputs that my models are going to provide. So within few seconds, my software is going to predict output for you, and you are able to select the best possible combination of factors. This is going to significantly boost your business.